Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Couple of months back I have drawn my favorite photographer, cinematographer and YouTuber Mr. Peter McKinnon, and in that video I have also mentioned about my love for photography, and in this video I'm going to be drawing my next favorite photographer slash YouTuber, Mr. Vinod from VTK Photography. So let's get started. I got a ton of options to select from, but I selected this picture because in this picture you have an expressive face. At the same time this is an low-key picture. So this portrait looks amazing and I just thought it would be awesome to draw. And I have another challenge. I don't have any smooth sketchbook at this point to draw with graphite, so I want to go with the sketchbook which I'm having right now. So let's do it. Friends, stay till the end of this video. This drawing will look great. And after watching this video, thumb up would be awesome. But before that, enjoy the video, my friends. And here's the drawing, my friends. I hope you liked it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, relatives and family, and subscribe for more realistic drawings and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.